Be working on the stock simulator again. Testing audio sounds good. All right. So, excuse me. Um, last time I was working on this, we did or we're looking at the resampling was the main last part of this, I think. Um, but one thing I wanted to do is let me think about this. So for the server and the client, I just want to focus on uh, two stocks, just to make it's going to be important to test all of them, because that's going to be a realistic use case, but just for now, to speed things up, I do want to, our data DF, what is it, ticker? Oh, SYM is equal to, or no, is in Apple and Microsoft. So we'll just test those. And on the client side, minute data df get calc bars. I guess here, minute data df testing. Minute data df equals minute data df dot loc minute data df sim is in Apple and Microsoft. All right, there's that. And then resampling. Format and resample, save output. Format and resample. Oh, actually, for now, I want to um, not do this just to see it work. Um, see how fast it is really quick for everything, and then I'll go back to this for testing. Format and resample, save output to calc bars dir, which is here. And we have two that should be showing up. Um, bars path, get minute data. I forgot the order of how this works. Wait, get minute data. Yeah, okay. So it checks if it has the resampled data here. If it does, it returns it. Otherwise, it gets some minute data. That checks if those files already exist. If not, it downloads them, and then either way it extracts and creates the data frame. And obviously there's a little bit of duplicate code here, but it's not a big deal in my opinion. I can clean up later if needed. It is nice, it's right next to each other too, so um and then otherwise, but either way it's going to get minute data here in this path, and then minute data to do format and resample. So format and resample. Okay, so I need to basically look at this, because this is what it's going to look like. What was this for? Is this for the server, right? Yeah, we're not going to. This is only for the server, so I can't look at it like the client has access to this. should be doing that separately. So that's it's just going to be in memory, I guess. All right, so we have ticker. Wait, why did I say sim? Oh, sim is right. Never mind. Hold on. I gotta fix what I did over here then. Sim is what I changed it to because it's actually ticker. No, I was about to say I'm guilty of this too, but they should keep the name consistent, but I know why they did it. They're trying to send less data, I believe. So they shorten the name in the JSON, but I don't know. Could be wrong. But I do that all the time. I'll name it ticker somewhere, symbol somewhere. Anyways, let's see. So get minute data. I got sidetracked a little bit. Oh yeah, ticker, and then in here this should be ticker as well. Okay. Format and resample. So this is actually what it looks like. And we basically just want the close every minute, right? So ticker, Windows start, and close is all I care about, really. So minute data df, let's start there. Minute equals data df dot loc. Not loc, just this, and then ticker, Windows start and close. Windows start, ticker, and close. So we have those columns. And then we need to basically, I don't care about open, high, low, oops. Yeah. I just care about close, which is last. Was that last? Oh, yeah. Huh. Okay. Maybe I'll want volume at some point, but there's what I'll do. I'll leave all these in here, actually. And then I'll just uncomment this. Hold on. Let me uncomment the whole thing. And comment all these. Oops. We'll do it like that. I like this actually. Okay, df. Go ahead and do that. And then we need to just do this Windows start thing correctly. So I could grab that from over here somewhere. Minutes from no, I don't care about this. Wait, do I have that somewhere? Oh yeah, here it is. So over here, minute data df. So minute data df timestamp is minute data df Windows start. Yep, timestamp is that. Timestamp. Let's do minute data df equals minute data df rename columns window start to timestamp. So we're renaming it, we're keeping all these, and then we're doing the calculations. I think too, does it matter? I think you want to get rid of the columns you don't need as soon as possible, right? But does it matter for this? Open, 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 close, high, low, open. I don't think anything I've done so far that matters, to be honest. This is just adding a column. I think it's fine. Nothing in here. Okay, so we have this with timestamp. Get rid of that. Save output. Gotta do this still. Um, yeah, let's call it this. Resample to that. Delete that. And just save it. Dot to CSV. And then we'll check it. Here, let's actually updated DF. Hold on, before I get too far ahead of myself. So we have a date. Basically this. OS path join. And then index equals false. And then I'm gonna do 2 copies. One for let's see. And then let's throw do that. And just see what happens, I guess. Alright, let's just try it. Sure, we'll run into issues. Windows start. What? Oh, I already got rid of it. Cannot assemble with duplicate keys. That is the resample part, right? Just to double check. Let's get rid of it. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let's do that for a second. I just want to see if this at least somewhat works. Oh, that wasn't the problem. What is the problem? Let's actually look at the error, I guess. Okay. Cannot assemble with duplicate keys at here. Right. Ah, shit. You have to do it for each stock. Wait, do you? Why do I have to do that? Why does that matter? Rename window start to timestamp. Minute data df. Timestamp ticker close. Minute data df timestamp is. I actually don't know the issue. Cannot assemble with duplicate keys. Okay. Alright, let's just grab this. Go to our ChatGPT window. Minute data. So copy this. Ah, dang it. I think I'm logged out or something. Hold on. What is this? Oh, I must have deleted that. There we go. Indicates that duplicate timestamps. What? Really? Hold on. Why does that matter? I'm saying just for the to date time. Why does it matter? However, the error you're encountering. Whoa. So it wasn't me? I mean, it wasn't that? I don't understand this. Here, let's get rid of all this. What's going on? It's like frozen. Is it writing this file and it's massive or what? I don't understand. I guess so. Alright, anyways. Windows start. Okay, let's delete these. Um, and then let's go one by one. Or I'll just do these three for now. Oh, there's two timestamps. Okay, that makes sense. So rename window, start. Wait, do these have timestamps? I don't understand this. Does this not drop a column? I mean, does it not replace it? Alright, now I gotta see this. Let's not do this. Let's just save these. Man, I've been doing stuff wrong for a while now, if that's true. Wait, they have a timestamp. Why do they have a timestamp? What? Is this new? Shit. Oh, I'm doing it up here. Oh my god, duh. Okay. So I'm already doing that and that. So I can actually get rid of this. And then do that. There we go. That was me. Doing something stupid. Alright, let's try this now. Nice. Alright. Okay. And now we want to. I kind of want to remove timestamp or no um, time zone info df pandas. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I don't know. It just looks cleaner. TZ localize. Okay. And it's smaller, less data. Alright, let's see what that looks like. That looks pretty good. And then I need to, yeah, I need to do the market time thing. So let's grab that. That's in server. Here until um, where was that? Okay. Not the best thing I'm doing here, but it'll work. All right. Let's try that. I'll just overwrite it. I don't know when it's done, but There we go, 9:30 up until 6:15:59. Perfect. All right, now resample. Get rid of that. Do this for now. And delete these. Let's see if it works. Only valid with daytime index, but got an instance. Right. Right. Okay. So I need to set the index to the timestamp. Let's see. I have timestamp column. How I make the index from that. Just set index. That easy. And we'll do it in place. Why not? What does that do, by the way? Does it remove the other column or no? Key or timestamp not an index. What? Oh, this is from, yeah, it does. Okay. All right. Cool. Key or ticker. What? What does this look like? Wait, where am I at? Ticker and close. Oh, shit. How do I put just, a string in there? Let's see. Oh shit, you can't? Oh, right, I have to do this per stock. This ain't gonna work. What am I talking about? Yeah, this has to be, per stock. Otherwise it makes no sense. Shit. This is not a big deal though. Okay. So, minute data. We'll need to use combination group by and resample. Resampled, group by ticker, resample, reset index. Okay. And what does the output look like? Nice. Very nice. That is easy. Very easy. So it's the same thing. What the? There we go. Annotated df, group by ticker, resample 15, ag. Let's bring all this in here. Same shit I had, just need a group by in front of it. Oops. Format. Alright. How is that looking? What am I printing? Oh. It's not as fast as I would hope. Shit. It's actually really slow. It's not terrible. It does have the resampled data though. Shit. I might have to think about this then. That is way slower than I thought. Oh man. So I could look at stocks that have some reasonable volume. That's probably what I need to end up doing. Yeah, because that has to happen every 15 minutes, has to do that. Well, no it doesn't. Does it? No, 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 no. This is just for testing, actually. That's not... That's fine. It's okay if it takes long. For testing. Let me see if I were just to do these two stocks, though. Let's see what happens. I think this should be significantly faster, I would hope. Boom, and boom, yeah, okay. Alright, let's verify this first before I move forward. Let's go to 15 minutes. And then what day am I looking at here? The 17th. No, not that far back. May 17th. Here we are. I'm gonna bring this over here. So I'm looking at Apple first. The close of the opening candle is... Where is the opening candle? Right there. Let me switch the time zone to New York. Wait, did that do it? I feel like it didn't. No, it did. Okay. Close of that opening candle is 130 or 190.38, yep. And then the next one should be 190.40. Yep. and then 190.25 or 26. Yes. 190.15. Perfect. Let's just check Microsoft. Since I have it, let's check that on the 20th, just to check the other date. Oh, wow, that's right to it. Let's see, 424.96, no. But that's okay. Is this the 20th? Sometimes the data is not perfect, so 426.32. Yeah, it's a little bit off, but it's not bad. I don't think it's a resampling. It's 424.56. That's good. 424.91. Close. 425.31. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. 423.85. Yeah, it's good. Okay. That seems to be working. Bring this back over and clean it up slightly. Um, and then yeah, let's check it all together here too. Remove that. No, let's get rid of that. So I should see 2 show here in a minute. This is taking way too long. Oh, that's why. There we go. There's 1 and 2. So let me try this again really quick. I'll do it on the other screen. Microsoft 424.96. 426.32, 56, yeah, same thing. Let's double check Apple. 930. Is 190.06, 190.9, close enough. All right, I think we're good. Okay, so that's that. It has the 15-minute data for each ticker now. Let's go ahead and just delete these real quick. And what else do I want to do? I wanted to actually, what is that? Why does it reset the index? Or does it? Hold on, let me see something. Print, or not print, yeah, print, count df dot columns. Is that part of the index now, or? Let's just look. What if I don't reset index? Here, let's just do this one. So it just says close. Okay. Alright. Alright, got it. Alright. And then what now? Just trying to think about. I probably don't want to do all stocks. I think it's going to be too slow. Even with another language, I think. I don't know. Um, hmm. Let me see what the options are, if there's any other way to connect. I don't want to assume too much right now, but let's just look really quick. Answer, given the stock symbol. Seeing if there's another way to get data other than JSON that might be faster. I don't think so. Hmm. I know you could have a list. So, yeah. Testing. This part of it's not a big deal because this is just for testing. For the actual thing, I'm just going to be grabbing the data as it comes in. So there's no real actual resampling. It's just keeping track of every bar at the 15-minute intervals. And that's what I use. Yeah. Here, I'll just make a note about that right now. Consider filtering out stocks with average daily volume. Oh. For connecting to WebSocket server. Alright. For now, let's go with all of them. Now that we have this though, so the test is going to use the minute data, the real scanner is going to use the minute data, and 15-minute data from that day. So yeah, when we start the test at any given time, I need to do up to that time. Yeah. And then, but the real scanner is just going to start at the beginning of the day and collect every 15-minute interval. Okay. How are we doing? Been going 45 minutes. Feels like I've been going a little bit longer, but let me think. Let's make a commit for now. So ticker close. Let's get rid of this and that. This is good. This is good. That's a note. And remove that for now. Okay. And resampling is, I don't know if I went over that. It's just taking, so if you have minute data, it does what I'm going to be doing in the actual scanner. It just looks at the 15-minute intervals and grabs that data. I mean, it depends on how you're resampling it, but that's what last means. If it was min, it would look at that window of data, grab the minimum, that would be the low, maximum for the high first. So instead of last, it would grab the first in that window, and then the sum, it would just sum the volume. So, um, what is this? I don't even remember what this is. Ah, interesting. Okay. So, what is the output of that now? I want to look at that. Now that I have nothing in here, oops, let's just do that. What did that generate? Wait a second, hold on, hold on. This is a little slow. Let me delete all these. Alright, so we just have the raw data. Let's even get rid of one of them. Screw it. And then, um, let's come back here and do that. So 14, 15. It's getting the raw data. Nice. And then doesn't it create that extra file? Yeah, so what is in here? Let's see, Microsoft 514, 515, 16, 17, 20. So it has exactly what I'm trying to do in one file. Is that a good idea? I think so. I mean, it won't be in a file, but where is that test 100? So that's all from here. Interesting. Okay. Just thinking about a couple things, so I'm going a little slow. Part of the reason, anyways. Think of what I want to do next and potential issues. So one thing I want to do is yeah, I guess as these things come in, I need to, or as this data comes in, I need to add that to the data set and do the calculation. Might redo it later. I'm assuming we need one bar, or I'm gonna, for now, assume we need one bar after the open. So basically not do the calculation until you get one bar. Okay. All my thoughts have already been really written down on this. Just trying to think if I should write out more details right now or just start working on it. Consider filtering out stocks. I kind of want to do this too. But then again, I want to test it and see how fast it is on everything else. I will manually do 2 stocks, I think, for testing for now. And then go from there. Um, I'm not using these at all, right? Okay. So yeah, next step would be look at the 2 stocks. From the server, send the data. So do the resampling. That whole thing is gonna happen not really on the client. This whole thing I just did. Um, Here. Let's just call this daily init because this is actually what's gonna happen on the like beforehand. Um, Trading dates. Calc days back. I'm gonna throw that in the config as well. Config file path. So trading, not trading dates. Calc days back. Just get rid of this. Or I'll say 2. As a default, and then in here, equals data calc days back. That's how many days it's using to calculate the indicators. Calc days back is 5. Okay. Um, okay. Where am I using this, by the way? Right there. Cool. think I like what I have so far. The reason I have this in the client, I see now why I did that, is I wanted to load all of the stuff, all the data into the client. I guess I could do that. I'd just rather not. I'd rather have the client just connect. Like immediately. No, this is fine, I think. This is fine for now. I'm gonna get rid of this new file I made. Actually, I could do both. I'll think about it. Let's see here. Like, after it's done getting all this data, then it will just start the connection. Yeah. Okay. So next thing I want to work on is doing just that. It gets all the data. It starts a connection. I'll move the time to 14, basically. 14-minute mark. Let it run, and then hopefully at the, would it be the end of that? Yeah. Yeah, it's the end of the 14-minute mark. Okay. It will add to that and then do the RSI calculation on all of that data. Um, There, let's just do this for now. I'm gonna say testing. I'm gonna say 2. Oops, not there. 2. Um, Alright, I think I need a break. Get something to eat really quick. And then the plan is to, I know I didn't get much done, but like I said before, I'm gonna connect to the server at the 14-minute mark and make sure it's grabbing connect to WS server at 14-minute mark. At the end of that minute, add all closed data to the add all closed data to the CalcDF and get RSI check with real data, both indicator and closed data. That's the next step. One issue though, how does that work exactly? So I'm sending back close. Oh, okay. I was about to say, why am I using, or I thought I could just look at open, but this whole thing with open is, and I haven't done this yet. Do I have a note for that? I think I do. Yeah. I need to do that. Otherwise, I also need to make sure at that 59 mark it's giving back the close for the close. Actually, that doesn't matter because I'm giving back the close on the bar anyways. Um, Trying to figure out what was I thinking. Was it just these things I don't care about? I was thinking I could just get the open price every time. Oh, right. I'm thinking second data versus minute data. Okay, so this is minute data. Yeah. At the end of that minute, I need to actually send the close. Within the minute, send the open, and at some specified time, send the high and send the low. So that's what it is. Within the minute, always send the open price unless sending high, low at end of minute 59 second. Send the close. Okay. Okay. That is the plan for now. So I have some notes. Anything else? I'm using that. Testing with two. Um, I'm testing with the Microsoft in here too, right? Yeah, now I am. Um, Everything looks good. I have a plan for next time, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna stop there and come back next time. Thanks for watching.